Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka National People's Party NPP ha ka hinyotarik ujamang arja arpan rio, kalapin rung dukhot yo Dr. DRL Nonglait ha ka jingalang kilum jangka, ha Sosatham Auditorium at Pinbanaru, ba unde Kyrtong ka party sa election MP shteng samoy, na Shillong Sabha Parliamentary Constituency, ya ka ba ka Election Commission of India kampat pinbanatarik. Ha ka ni ka jingalang laydon lang daw Conrad K. Sangma Mintri Rang ba ka jila, ubadeiru National President ka NPP, uba Preston Tinsong simbut Mintri Rang ba at State President NPP Meghalaya, uba Asnyaw Bahalang Dhar, simbut Mintri Rang ba, uba Wailat Miki Shilla, Mintri Sarkar at State President NPYF, kinongkit kam party na Lord Kiway Pat. Ka election MP shteng samoy na gani ka parliamentary constituency sa Lok Sabha, kalong don kam na marka jingklat no Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon minhaw banay rempang mintaw snem. U Dr. DRL Nonglait udeiru hagaju kapor u President ka Khasi Author Society KAS, kapala pinlong jingeki bandawa itu ikaktian Khasi, kum kaktian sarkar ya kabaka sarkar MDA2, dangshen kalamin jor bat ay jing itu lang ikaktian garo, ru kumjo.
Give a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. To Sir Nonglait, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Sir Nonglait as well. We also have with us. I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the party to welcome Dr. Nonglait to the National People's Party family. Let's give a round of applause. I also would like to ask everybody to please stand up where we are so that we can once again welcome Dr. Nonglait to the NPP family. Friends, at this point in time, we have a very, and as has been proposed by the State Committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting, where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi Jaintia region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf of the party to propose the name of Dr. Nonglait to be the candidature for the upcoming MP by-election. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Please raise your hand. Let's give a round of applause. With the approval of the General Committee that has come from different constituencies of Khasi Jaintia region, and with the approval from our State President and the entire committee, I would like to now officially announce Dr. Nonglait as the official candidate of the National People's Party for the upcoming Lok Sabha by-election.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag, ka jing im bakam bhag, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.